you guys? It's your girl Anna and welcome back to my channel. Of course, we are here again with another ColorCL contact lens review / try on because they have a new collection that they're launching today. Starting today if you're watching this video and subscribe to my channel, March 8th, and it's called their Siesta Crystal collection. So in this video, I'm just gonna be trying them on to see what they look like on your girls' naturally dark brown eyes. But just to give you some information, ColorCL sent me an email just to let you guys know that this collection is supposed to be a little bit more realistic, and it supposedly is a little bit more transparent so that it will match the natural color of your pupils, blended a little more with whatever color it's trying to give off. So yeah, we're gonna see about that. Now these contact lenses come in the most adorable packaging, like you guys, oh you guys, are you seeing this? It's like holographic, and you guys know I live for that. So each one of these contact lenses, focus. Okay, so each one of these contact lenses will be on sale for $15, right, regularly. But as of March 8th and 2 weeks after that, I really don't know when you guys are watching this video, but from March 8, 2019 to the following 2 weeks, they will be for a special price of $12 because they're just launching. And of course, when you apply my coupon code, Annette10, running across the screen right now, you'll get an additional 10% off your order, baby. Okay, so don't forget to input my coupon code so that you can get it for a little bit cheaper. So no long talking with this intro, you guys. If you love this wig, you guys already know I did a review on it, and I will link that below, honeys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, thank you so much, ColorCL, for always rocking with my channel and giving my subbies discounts. And until next time, I will see you guys. But please, before you end this video, do not forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment in the comment section below if you guys want to know anything at all, anything you want to know about me or the contact lenses, like if you want, in the comment section. Okay, so until next time, enjoy the music and watch me try on these contact lenses.
Went on. Make sure me get mine. Up and on, time for the loose. banana, that banana, that banana. Get loose, yeah. Give me what I want, give me what I want. That banana, don't stop screaming, want me. Time to get loose, time to get loose, time to get loose. I do what I want. Time to get loose, time to get loose. I do what I want my boo. That banana, time to get loose. Give me what I want my boo. That banana, now stop screw. I do what I want. It's all you for me, baby. I've been calling. You are the one plenty. Give me the Kevin D. You have to sleep alone. Please don't show up.
Okay, you guys, that's it. But before I go, I wanted to show you guys just quickly these cute cases that also are on ColorCL's website, and these are contact lens cases, and as you can see, they come with little mini tweezers for you to kind of get some assistance to take out the lenses, because sometimes it's kind of hard. So they have numerous colors. They sent me the yellow one, the white one, and this cute little brown one. So yeah, so that's something you guys can check out on their site as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, please remember to hit the like button. Until next time, I love you. Bye.
That banana, now stop screaming.